شلونك؟ Yep. طلعني. I don't mind if you can, because on it it's going to be a lot of pressure. Okay. Good job. Okay. Good job. Lingual mucosa usually is very attached to the tooth. Sometimes it's you extract the tooth, but the tooth away the bone, but it's still attached to the. Let me know if there's pain. Everything okay? Good. Look at my fingers. One finger's on the cheek, one finger's on the tongue. Okay. Good job. That's why we always need the handies, because sometimes it gets fractured. When you,
The support on the maxilla is not.
support to the maxilla? Yeah. If you have two teeth to be extracted, which one we extract first? We extract the difficult one. Yeah, easy one. بعدين. Suction because. Yeah. Keep changing the light. Yeah, that's right. So the elevator was moving the tooth. Forceps just give you the grip. So the forceps will give you the grip. See, the root is curved, so it was a little bit difficult. Suction.
Don't so irrigation?
No. Yeah.
Irrigation on top of those.
Just good. Finish it. Okay. Shoulder more. خلصنا واحد. We got one. All right. Okay. Shoulder more. That's just حاجة سد نص سدد على access the third molar. That's خلصنا. It will take a few minutes. I'll go behind it, Frosty. Frosty, push the gum away from the gingival tissue. Sometimes it's not the gingiva, it's the whole tissue, especially on the palate. I feel it. Such a nosy girl. All right. Almost finished. You have to see? That's the thing with forceps. Forceps. We have Educator with the serrated margin would be better, but this one is fine. That's not good.
It's also straight?
Huh?
It's also straight?
Yeah, straight to root, curved root. That's why we pick a little bit. That's the upper or lower wisdom teeth at the same time. All right. Yeah. I got it. Okay, thank you. Avali out. Hey, pressure like would be like this. Oh, salam. Huh? 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Great, thank you very much. Pressure for 1 hour. Avali ساعة. أكل خفيف ماكو سؤال. خمس دخن. ها؟ شايات ماكو شايات أكلك. هتشتري لك موطة. أوكي. جيبي له موطة جيب له غدا. أوكي. سلامتك. خوش. You're welcome.